Hello friends, welcome back. In continuation of our Salesforce admin journey, today we will discuss in detail about tabs in Salesforce and how to create them and control visibility of these tabs. When we open Salesforce UI, the first thing we see is application and tabs. So currently I am in job application tracker application, which has many tabs. These tabs could be standard like contact and opportunity, and these could be custom tab as well like job openings and property. So this is the navigation bar that you see. If you want to add more tabs to navigation bar, you can click on this pencil icon, can click on more tabs, all, and you can add any of it. So this will be added to your navigation bar. Tabs in Salesforce, they are used to display the data of objects and other web contents. In Salesforce, there are mainly four types of tab. Those are standard tabs, which display data related to a standard object. Custom tabs display data related to custom objects. Similarly, web tabs and Visualforce tabs, they display the data about web pages and Visualforce pages, respectively. We can control tabs visibility. We can control this by using user profile or creating permission sets and assigning these permission sets to users. There are basically three settings of tabs visibility: default, on, off, and hidden. If we turn default on setting, then the user will be able to see that tab in top navigation bar. If we turn default off, the user will still be able to access it by clicking at pencil icon or by searching it in app launcher. If we turn on the tab hidden settings, then user won't be able to see it either in main navigation bar at top or from app launcher. Let's go to Salesforce UI and learn how to create how to create the tabs and how to control their visibility settings. So tabs can be created at two steps. You can create the tabs when you are creating custom objects, or you can create the tab for custom object once you have created the object. So let's first create a custom object. So I will leave the other settings as default. At the bottom, you can see there is a checkbox, launch new custom tab wizard. If you select this, the tab will be created along with the object. So here you need to select your tab style. You can create your own style or you can select from already available. At this point, you can control your tab visibility by selecting any of these three options. For now, I'm leaving it default on. Include tab for all the apps, or you can select the particular apps in which you want to include your tab. So I've created this tab. Now let me search the tab. That was test. So we have created a test 123 tab. If we go in here, test 123, you can see it because we created the tab. Now let's create a custom object without selecting create tab test checkbox. So you can give the name as you need. So this time we will not select this checkbox and we'll go ahead without checking it. Here you will see there is no tab visibility setting and nothing else is directly created. So now if I go to the app launcher and select for this test today, I won't be able to see it because I did not create a tab for it. So now in such case, you can go to the tab from setup, and this was my custom object. So I will select custom object tabs, create new. And here I need to create for test today 1 2 3, and you can select from here or you can create your own tab style. I'll go ahead. Here you can control the tab visibility settings. So I'll keep it default on. Save it. So now I have created tab for my new custom objects. Now I will be able to search this object. You can see I can search it from here. So tab help you to display the data in application. Now Go to the tab and let's see the different settings. Different types of tabs. So you can see we have custom object tabs. You can create custom object tab. Then we have web tabs. Then we have Visualforce tabs. Then we have lightning component and lightning page. So let's create one of the web tabs. So web tabs is used to display the external web-based application or anything. So if you want to create web text, select. Then I want to create for URL, and let me go with my website. Give it a name and tab name. Select a style of your interest. Click next. Here either you can merge the fields from here, or you can put the URL. So I'll put URL of one of the company. So you can copy the same URL from the search box and keep in this. So I have selected Unicode UTF. I'm leaving it default on and selecting for all the applications. So I have created my web tab. Now I can go in here and can select my website. So when you click on my website, you will be able to directly go to that website. So that's how we create the web tabs. Similarly, you can create other Visualforce tabs as well. But to create a Visualforce tab, you should have Visualforce pages. So if you already have, you can select from here. Or if you want to create, you can create your web page. So similarly, you can create from here. Visit Pardot. And then you can select the settings for your tab, and you can select the applications you want to link this tab to, and then save it. And you can see your new Visualforce tab created. So if you want to create any kind of tabs, you can go in tabs from setup and can create any of the tab. Now let's talk about how we can control the tab visibility. We can control tab visibility either from profile. So if we go to profile, let me select my profile, that is system admin here. Edit on that profile. When you edit, you can see the tab settings, and you can select any of the three options for the tabs. After selecting, just save it, and your setting for the tab will be changed.